Hi, I'm Dave and welcome to my Sendiio 3.0 review. In this review, I'm going to tell you all about it, how you can get the discount, the bonuses, and more. So stay tuned. So let's dive right into it. What is Sendiio? Sendiio is the first and only autoresponder that combines real artificial intelligence with the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger marketing under one central dashboard. And that's with zero monthly fees. That's right, zero. You can now tap into 3 of the most profitable marketing channels, all in one place. You no longer have to wonder if email is best or text is best or Facebook Messenger is best. The fact is they all work and are extremely profitable, and you can now tap into all of them and maximize your profits. Beginning today, for the first few hours you could get Sendiio 3.0 at its lowest price ever at over 60% off. The price keeps creeping up. As time goes on, you'll still be able to get it at a ridiculously low price, but at this time it is still a one-time fee. All the rest of the bonuses expire at that time as well. Now they do have the right to make this a monthly plan. So you do want to get into Sendiio 3.0 right away. Now what is included? You're going to get access to the 3 platforms for email, text, and Facebook Messenger. And if you've heard anything about bots, AI, and so on and so forth, you know that this is the future, let alone artificial intelligence. You either dive in and start learning to begin building with these technologies like Sendiio, or you risk the possibility of being left behind, replaced, or closing up shop forever. You also get to import unlimited email leads, unlimited phone numbers, collect unlimited amount of Facebook Messenger subscribers. The list goes on and on and on. And the best part is you don't have to spend a penny more. Once you get into this world-class technology, you could connect any premium SMTP provider there is, including your own that might be at your web hosting provider, for free. That's right, for free. And if you're not so technical, don't worry. There's a bunch of tutorials that are going to help you right inside the dashboard for you to easily reference as you need it. And here's the thing. You're going to get my exclusive Sendiio bonuses when you pick up Sendiio 3.0 through my link below this video. So here we have what you're going to get from Sendiio and its special price. When you grab it today, you're going to get agency access included for free for a limited time. You're also going to get the Twitter autoresponder, ringless voicemail drops, get a live 90-minute training session all recorded for you to dive into, and step-by-step training on setting up Sendiio with your own hosting's SMTP server. Plus all my bonuses that are exclusive when you click on the link down below and make your purchase today or even after the launch. If you haven't noticed, email, texts, and so on and so forth, it's all the rage. Now, even though email rates have been dropping in terms of open rates over the years, we still see that 66% of Americans, for example, check their phones 160 times on average. That's according to Small Business Trends. That's nearly 2/3 of the people in the US. 41% of consumers would rather receive brand update text messages than emails. In 2022 it was 5 billion people. That's right, B as in billion have smartphones. 75% of clients want to receive offers via SMS. That's text messaging. And the average open rate compared to email marketing for SMS is 98%. Who is behind the Sendiio product anyway? The mastermind behind Sendiio 3.0 is the amazing Joshua Zamora. And here you can see a picture of him with a big fish he caught. I sure never caught any fish that big. You can see here right on the JVZ marketplace, where this offer is being presented at and sold through. And you can see all his endorsements here in terms of communicative responsiveness, quality products, etc. Now let's continue. You may have seen that all the reviews out there about Sendiio don't really show you this part. And this is because I actually have a Sendiio account. I purchased the Sendiio 3.0 since it really looked like a great product. And as you can see here, I have the Sendiio agency package, including Sendiio Booster and Sendiio VA, which means virtual assistant. More on those two in a moment. Either way, you will see that this is an excellent product. Let's go into the dashboard and open in a new tab. Now this, you might be wondering, what is this? This is what it looked like from the very beginning. That's right. This is what it looked like before this major upgrade, but doesn't today's version look a lot better? Let's try out the new design. And that's what it looks like. You can easily switch back and forth. If you'd like, just go into your menu option up here, back to classic design. And they're so thoughtful and detailed about this product with Sendiio that they want to know your opinion because it's important to them. What would you like us to improve in the new design, and enter your details and click on send. Now let's go back into the new design. Now you may be wondering, why is all this zero now? In all honesty, I didn't want to use Sendiio in the very beginning. Why? Because I was very new to all this. I didn't really know what to do. I didn't know what I wanted, but now that I know, and I was actually looking for an autoresponder to start my new project with, and I heard about Sendiio 3.0 coming out, and here it is, my friends. I said, wait a minute, this is what I need to do. I don't believe in coincidences. And if you're looking at this video, still at this very moment, I don't think you should either. So let's continue. Let's just say you're a tutorial person and you want to know how to do this or that instead of just diving right in. You click on Facebook Messenger and see how you can add Facebook pages, set up your welcome message on your fan pages. This basically means your business page on Facebook, etc., especially this part about the new chatbot and personalizing replies and so on and so forth. We could also make this slider here on the left-hand screen sticky like that, so it stays that way. SMS, we can do the same thing. How to set up your account and so on and so forth. Now, yes, you will need a Twilio account to do that. Now that is an additional cost, but with Twilio, you pay as you go. And here in this tab, what I have opened previously for you is the Twilio pricing in the US. As you can see here, pay-as-you-go SMS pricing, so there's no monthly subscription. It's less than a penny. Yes, less than 1 cent to send a text message, whether to a local number, toll-free number, and to use short codes. How inexpensive and insane is that? Alright, let's get back into Sendiio. So here we have all the tutorials to help you step by step on how to get all the setup sequences, replies, uploading all the email, how to customize the unsubscribe footer in your emails, how to set up SMTP, etc. Very detail-oriented step-by-step tutorials to help you at your time of need. How to give a virtual assistant sub-user access with Sendiio. Now this is perfect because if you heard of any horror stories in this industry, you may have heard of stories where the virtual assistant actually steals all the leads and then starts emailing and spamming all those people that you worked so hard to get for their own accounts. With this Sendiio feature, you don't have to worry about that anymore. That's what the VA sub-user access is all about. This is one of the upgrades to this platform, completely optional, but highly recommended and includes new updates and features. Now this is from the time where it was being developed even more. Now you can take a look at all these pre-recorded videos on demand. Take a look. Awesome updates. 5 new updates. 2 more new updates. And the list goes on and on and on. Ringless voicemail. Now I'm not saying you have to do all this at once. Take it step by step. First, let's set up your email. Then maybe your Facebook Messenger. Then maybe your SMS text messaging capabilities and all the automations in. We have Twitter direct messaging. That's right, Twitter. You can integrate Twitter and manage everything through Sendiio. You have replays here, strategy sessions and so on and so forth. You also have support and you have the Academy, which is an additional upgrade. More importantly with Sendiio 3.0 is hybrid sequences. Hybrid sequences. What does that mean? Basically you get to put a name. Pick preferable days when you want this activated. Just business days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. If you want to have certain hours like certain business hours. Let's say 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and wanted to start immediately. This would allow you to set up hybrid sequences where your lead, your customer, your prospect would actually receive an email and then a text and then a Facebook Messenger message and then maybe a Twitter direct message and then maybe a ringless voice drop. That's right. All in sequential order or as you wish as you set it up with this hybrid sequence and it goes on and on and on. Let's continue for email. You have lists, tags, so on and so forth. And here you have the third-party mail services in case you didn't want to use your personal SMTP account. For example, this list has been extensively added onto. You have Spark Post, MailJet, Amazon SES, SendGrid, Elastic Mail, Mailgun, Postmark. And just for reference, yes, these do cost additional. I want to be completely transparent here, but the cost is so minimal. Let's take a look at Amazon SES pricing. For example, your first 62,000 emails are $0. After that it's just 10 cents for every 1,000 emails. That's with Amazon. And by the way, their deliverability is fantastic. So you do want to check that out as well, all in due time. Now if you don't want to go ahead and set all that up on your own, you could just quickly and easily set up your own personal SMTP. And how do you do that? Let's go ahead and see what we could do here by adding an account. And if you had it with GoDaddy, let's say your own domain.com, your business domain.com at GoDaddy, you could just set it up almost instantly just by pressing on the button and doing it that way, or through Cloudflare, or through your website host manager, and so on and so forth. With email, you also have forms. That's right, forms. An embedded form to start collecting leads, phone numbers, first name, last name, other details, and so on and so forth as you wish. You have an unsubscribe details section here, spam complaints. You can filter your emails. Now let's go on to mobile, meaning cell phone. You could set up your lists forms as well. Ringless voicemail drop, and the list goes on and on. You have sequences for your ringless voicemail. You could actually record your messages. You could actually take incoming calls, make a call, have your call list, take notes, and so on and so forth for your social accounts, Facebook pages, add a page, create your bot replies, add a new bot reply, send broadcast messages, which are basically one-time messages that you send out once, set up sequences, add Twitter, yes, Twitter. And for your agency account, one of the best parts is sub-users. Here we actually go ahead and set up sub-users or groups. Now you may be wondering, what are groups? Let's just say you have a client you want to do this for, or you have separate entities, meaning businesses. You could set up one account for one business and other account for another business. For example, new group. We could go ahead and enter a business name here, description and what it has access to for that particular account, monthly limit on emails, SMS, and so on and so forth. And then create it. Now how cool is that for sub-users? We can go ahead and create a sign-up link for this new sub-user and limit what they have access to. For example, you can allow them to use all Sendiio features by checking on the check mark there, all groups, or to create groups, etc., or add to new lists and email on your behalf, and so on and so forth, and then create, and then add sub-user here. You have a plethora, a mind-blowing list of capabilities for you in this new and latest version of Sendiio. And not just that, you get all the bonuses offered to you here. Again, I'm going to flash through that right here in case you missed it in the beginning. You will also get my huge exclusive bonuses as well when you buy through my link. When you land on the Sendiio page, you may see something like this. Again, the highlight here is 0 monthly fees for the platform. That's going to do all the heavy lifting for you, including the new AI subject writer built right in to skyrocket your open rates and engagement, including hybrid sequences, ringless voicemails, live calling features, and so much more with agency access included for a limited time. And the best part is, and if you happen to be seeing this later on, don't worry, because you're backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so your investment is completely risk-free. So go ahead and check out all the details on this page. Now to the upsells. One of them is the Academy. How to go from 0 to your first 1,000 subscribers in 14 days or less. Here's the virtual assistant upgrade, highly recommended. Now you may not need it today, but why pay more later for something you get for a lot less today? Now think about it. You don't want to be working in your business 24/7. You want to be working on it. And this allows you to work less and profit more by easily outsourcing your campaigns, all the bots, all the automations, all the setup, etc., without ever compromising your leads for a one-time low price. Here you have the booster to double or even triple your profit by using this 100% unique Sendiio feature, which takes seconds to activate. What does that mean? Let's just say you send an email at 11 a.m. and about 300 people see it, but you had a list of 1,000 people. That leaves 700 more people for one reason or another that did not open your email. Maybe they're at work, picking up their kids, doing just something else, or like prefer checking their emails in the evening. With this one check of a box, you could actually set it so that it automatically sends a second email later on to all the people who did not open up that first email. And next you have this last and final upgrade. Completely optional to get access to 1,776 plus pre-written emails in 9 different niches that you could copy and paste into Sendiio and profit with right away for. Just to give you a comparison, if you were to try to do this using, let's just say, a popular email autoresponder like ActiveCampaign, here we have a $29 light plan that doesn't even do half as much as all that. And here you have to pay yearly. Something that's a little bit more comparable is the $49 a month plan. Now what is that $50 times 12? That's $600 every year, and only for a small amount of subscribers. Probably 500 subscribers, or 1,000, or at the most 2,500 subscribers. Why pay that when you could pay a small fraction and get a lot more today? With Sendiio 3.0 and all the bonuses. Now I know it's not exactly an apples to apples comparison, but more or less you get the idea. Now it's not just active campaign, you actually also have get response. Now their pricing is a little bit more accommodating, for lack of a better word. And again, just for 1,000 contacts, you'll be paying $19 on their monthly plan forever. And you don't even have automations included. You should have automations included. You don't have to pay $59. Now I know they don't include all these options in the Sendiio platform, like landing pages and so on and so forth. However, if you were to average these two plans up, let's say $60 and $20, 60 and 20 is $80. That's $40 a month forever in perpetuity for the rest of your life, just for 1,000 contacts. Now, if you were to put this into work, wouldn't you say that you'll be getting a lot more than 1,000 contacts? Heck, you may even have more than 1,000 today, or be paying more than this right now, but you don't have to. Joshua has created an amazing offer, and that is Sendiio 3.0. I hope my review and walkthrough of the Sendiio platform has helped you come to the decision to the point where you want to click on the link down below this video to go check it out. To pick up Sendiio 3.0 and all the vendor bonuses and my exclusive bonus package, including the discount for the best autoresponder software on the planet with artificial intelligence hyped right into it. Go check it out. I hope you enjoyed my Sendiio honest review walkthrough that went over all the bonuses, the discount for the new Sendiio 3.0. The clock is ticking, so make sure to click on my link below to see my huge bonus package. You will see the option to buy Sendiio 3.0 on my page. Thanks for watching.